Hey there, it's Joe. So in this video, we're going to be taking a look at an aluminum clamp that I designed and made a while back. The clamp is made out of a single piece of material. The part started out as an aluminum tubing, which saves machining time and material cost. I skimmed the OD and ID on the lathe to give it a nice machine finish, then parted it off. The turned part then goes on a mandrel on the mill, where I'll start out by machining recesses on both sides, one side for the bolt heads and the other side to clean up the threads. Then we'll drill the clearance holes for the bolts, followed by holes for the threads. Now we're going to tap the threads. Then we'll use a slitter saw to cut the part in half, and then we'll have a finished clamp. And there it is, an aluminum clamp made out of a single piece of material. Thanks for watching and take it easy.